Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, people, wherever you are. How are you today? I hope you are fine today. And then today we are going to learn about do, does, and did. How to use do, how to use does, or how to use did in English. Actually, do, does, or did we use for two conditions. The first we use for introgatif, and the second is we use for negative. You can see here introgatif and negative. And then do, does, did has a formula pattern. You can see here when the interrogative, we can use the pattern do or does plus subject plus verb want and then question mark. And then when negative, we use the pattern subject plus do or does plus verb want and blah blah blah. Now, in this pattern, it's only for present time, not for past time. It means in the past time, it has an own pattern, different present and past. I think I have explained to you before in my video before. Okay, but before that we have to know first which subject that use for do, which subject that use does or did. In here we can see I, they, we, you, she, he, it, name. I, they, we, you, they use do, not does. Okay, we should remember this one. I, they, we, you have to use do, not does. Okay, she, he, it, and name like Brandon, like Johan, like Baharudin. That's a name. See, he, it, and name, it must use does. Okay, in the present time. Okay, in the present time, do, does. But in the past time, both of do or does, both of do and does use did. Okay, so whatever the subject, I, they, we, you, she, he, it, name, they use did. Okay, it's only one for past. It's only one for past time, did. Okay, and then take a look at the example. Okay, the example you can see here. She plays badminton. You can see the sign. It's positive sentence. And then remember, do, does, and this, do, does, and did. It's only used for to interrogative, negative. In generally use do, does, did for interrogative and negative sentence. So here you can see in the positive sentence, okay, there is no do or does or did because this is positive sentence. And take a look at other sentence. The sign, interrogative signs, you can see does she play badminton? We make the sentence based on the positive sentence. This one. Okay. Introgatif does. You can see here. Introgatif does. Why don't put do? Because the subject is she. Okay, the subject is she, so she is use does. Okay, use does, no do. Okay, that's why we put does here. Does subject, does she for one play badminton, and then question mark, does she play badminton? Okay, and then also play here without s, because do, does, and did must meet verb want. Okay, no additional verb, no verb ing, no verb 2, verb 3, must verb 1. How about negative? Negative, we put subject in front of the does, before does, like the pattern here. Subject when does, so subject does. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to, it's wrong, so we change it, we have to change. Okay, negative, not plus verb 1. Okay, okay, based on this, the pattern here, subject do or does plus not plus verb 1. See, subject does, I use that because the subject is she, and then not as the pattern, and then play verb 1 in badminton. Okay, this is the construction. Does not mean doesn't, do not, don't, did not, didn't. Okay, I think our lesson about do, does, and did today is finished. When you have something to discuss about this Materi, you can comment in my video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.